Today, I will be showing you how to use ResDisk to create encrypted data vaults for storing your files. Unlike most other DataVault applications, ResDisk will use the key stored on your Rosetta device to create and manage the hardware on your machine to encrypt all vaults. This added key protection in a Rosetta hardware device will ensure that your data remains secure, so long as you don't lose your Rosetta device. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you are logged onto a machine with ResDisk installed and that you have the Rosetta device that you initialized using the Res Wizard. If you have not done this yet, see our video on installing the Res applications. When you are ready, launch the ResDisk application. You will be prompted for your Rosetta device's logon credentials. This is the password you used when you set up your device with the Res Wizard. Enter this password now and press the Login button. Once you are logged in, you will see the ResDisk control panel. This will show you all the Rosetta Encrypt and Share data vaults you have created using ResDisk. The first thing you will need to do to begin using ResDisk is to update your Rosetta Encrypt and Share contacts database with everyone you want to share your data vaults with. If you haven't already done so, see our video on adding contacts to Res to learn how to do this. Once you have updated your contacts database, you can create your first data vault by pressing the Add button on the ResDisk control panel or selecting Add from the File menu. This will bring up the new virtual disk window. Here, you will need to select a location for creating your new data vault and specify the size of the data vault. To browse to the location where you wish to save your vault, click the three dots icon to the right of the location box. You can save your data vaults on your computer, a removable storage drive, or a shared network drive. In the File Explorer, browse to the path where you wish to save your new data vault and provide a name in the file name box. Press the Save button when you are ready to continue. You will then need to set the size of your data vault. Simply enter the size in megabytes in the size box to create a vault of that size. Click the Create button when you are ready to create your new vault. This will bring up the Share with Contacts window. Here you will select which of your contacts you want to have access to your new vault. You can select multiple contacts by holding down the Control key or a range of contacts by holding down the Shift key. Once you have selected your contacts, click the Share button to continue. You should now see your new data vault in the ResDisk control panel. To start using your new data vault, select it from the control panel and press the Mount button from the action bar. You will then need to format your data vault before you can start using it. To do this, open up your File Explorer and browse to this PC. Your new data vault should be displayed under the Devices and Drives section with the drive letter indicated in the ResDisk control panel. Double-click this vault from the File Explorer. A message will be displayed indicating that you need to format your new data vault. Click the Format Disk button to begin formatting your new vault. The Format Disk window will now be displayed. You can select the format for your new vault and also select some other features from this screen. In this video, I will just be using the default settings. Click the Start button to begin the formatting process. Another message will appear asking you if you are sure you wish to format your drive. Click the OK button to continue formatting. The time it takes to format will depend on the size of your vault. When your data vault is done formatting, another message will appear letting you know that the format is complete. Close this window and the Format Disk window to begin using your new vault. You are now ready to begin using your new data vault. Add files to the vault by dragging them over or copying them in the same way you would use any other file system. When you are through adding files, you can unmount your vault by selecting it from the ResDisk control panel and pressing the Unmount button from the action bar. If you wish to share your DataVault with one or more of your contacts, you can send them the DataVault source file along with a share file to accomplish this. To create a new share file for your DataVault, select the Export option from the File menu. You will then need to use the File Explorer to choose a path and a name for saving your share file. When you have finished with this, click the Save button to create your share file. You can then send the shared DataVault and the share file to your contacts using your preferred delivery method. They will be able to access your vault by selecting the Import option from their File menu and selecting the share file from the File Explorer. If the path to their source file is different from yours, they will need to provide the path to their own copy of the source file for this to work. That's all there is to it. You can now start using ResDisk to create and share encrypted data vaults. We hope you have enjoyed this video. View our other videos to see how to use our other Res applications.